It is a rare cloudy day today in Arizona, so it's somewhat ironic that you and I are unboxing Ollas. Let's see. Ooh, interesting. Obviously ordered quite a few of all the different sizes. Here's the large. Just want to hold it by the pot itself. And then the medium. And then the small. As you can see, not a lot of stuffing, but these boxes are really well put together. So it makes sense to some extent that they would save on any extra wrapping because this gripped it really well. Absolutely nothing is broken. And here we go. Now I know this is maybe not the most important thing you should think about. One of the reasons why I liked these Ollas in particular is that it doesn't have a face on it. I like subtlety. This is very nice, very pretty. I know that it's going in the ground, but I don't need something looking back at me when I take it back up. I don't like that face, the face thing. So these are nice, subtle. This is my style. I'm gonna guess this is silicone, which here in the desert, silicone has definitely proved itself to be a long-lasting, very durable product. Which is interesting that I didn't look at that before I actually bought this, but Ollas can freeze. Yep, that is a good thing that we do not have a frost line here in Arizona. This is why our plumbing can be exposed and not run that deep below the surface. Silicone lid right there. Verified. So yes, silicone is a good thing. Everything about this is durable, especially in a desert environment. I think I'm going to put it back in the box until it's time. But yes, everything looks very nice. Nothing came broken. Put this away. So this is the medium, 3-liter capacity. Also very cute. No face. Silicone lid. And the really little small one has a 1-liter capacity. 1 liter in case that didn't come across. That is tiny. It's cute. 1 foot radius. So what is fun, you want to have your plants to have enough water where they need it. So there are certain plants where Ollas won't work as well, and is very kind of them to even put it on the box. I mean, you have to look at this stuff before you even take it out of the box. Carrots, beets, radishes, parsnips, things that are of the root variety where you have to have more even spread of water. It's not going to be drawing towards the Ollas. Not a good idea. But there are other things, many other things that this is going to work well for. And now, one of the reasons why I'm filming this now is that we are starting to dig the massive holes that we need, because for every single one of these large ones, it has an area of 4 feet that it will support. So as you can imagine, that's a lot of digging. And with the clay soil that we have here in the low desert, it's a job. We've done the water main across the front yard, and that was a job and a half. A lot of digging will happen now. Put your Ollas safely away until it's time to use them, and then start digging. Dirt day is always a really fun day. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, and stop. It's recently rained here, so I'm filling up the Oyas with rainwater. I think I'm gonna need a big siphon. Well, that's interesting. I felt a little bit of wet and I got it on my pants here and I realized, well, that answers my question of, if water goes out of the Oya, well, it probably goes in when it doesn't have anything, and you can see that it's collected at the top. How interesting. So my concern that, hey, I'm gonna have clean water. When it rains, what's going to happen to the Oya? Well, it just might be a self-cycle. Yeah, a siphon would be a good thing. Anything with a spout will do. Beautiful rainwater. Oh, check it out. Let's see if we can see down there. Refill time. Not to worry about if it's clean water or not, because rainwater is the best for plants. Woo, coming up. Awesome. Oh. Watch out for the spray. Nice.